Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of carpet cleaning with a closer look at the Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner, hailed as the best Bissell Spot Clean Cleaner on the market. If you've been battling stubborn stains or pesky pet messes, this might just be your new best friend. Let's get into it. Now, what makes the Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro stand out from the crowd? With its superior suction, scrubbing action, and professional cleaning solution, it's equipped to tackle even the toughest messes. Whether it's carpets, stairs, upholstery, or even auto interiors, this machine does it all. And let's not forget about its deep cleaning capabilities. Thanks to the power of Oxy, it can permanently remove tough pet stains, embedded dirt, and more, leaving you with professional-style results every time. But that's not all. The Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro comes with some handy accessories to make your cleaning experience even easier. With a stain trapper tool to catch the dirtiest pet messes, a 3-inch tough stain tool, and 2 trial-size Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formulas, you'll have everything you need to tackle any mess with confidence. And let's talk about portability. Weighing in at just 13.2 pounds and featuring a compact design, this machine is easy to maneuver and store, making it perfect for taking wherever the mess may be. Plus, with its extra large capacity tanks, you can clean more area without constant refilling interruptions. In summary, the Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner is a game-changer for anyone dealing with stubborn stains or pet messes. With its powerful performance, versatile cleaning capabilities, and convenient portability, it's no wonder it's considered the best Bissell Spot Clean Cleaner on the market. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!